Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. Here we have our final tissue type, which is neural tissue. You may also hear it called nervous tissue as well. And I think this is another tissue that is very distinctive. And the reason why I think it's so distinctive is because of the neuron cells that we are going to see. And I have one for us here that I took a picture of. And I'm going to go ahead and circle it. This entire large structure here that I have circled is the neuron. And all of this that we see here is going to be our neural tissue. The neuron, some people have described it as looking like an octopus because it has these extensions that come off of it. And it looks kind of like the tentacles of an octopus. I've had some students say it reminds them of Medusa. Medusa, remember from mythology, she had snakes for hair. Some people envision this portion of the neuron as the head, and then we have the snake hair coming away from the head. So those are some visual analogies that you might find helpful to recognize the neuron and recognize neural tissue in general. Surrounding the neurons and supporting the neurons are the neuroglia cells. And again, I know I've said this a whole bunch, but if we want to try to find a cell, one of the best things that we can do is look for a nucleus. And we can see several nuclei. I'll point out a couple here. I'll go ahead and circle some. So there's two here, one here, one here. All of these, we'll just draw a line from all of them. All of these are going to be the nuclei of the various neuroglia cells. We will talk more about these cells in this tissue later on, but this is a nice introduction to neural tissue.